Good evening, traders and traders. Y'all know it's dreycosting. Back to you with another banger. Alright, so yesterday, since market open, GJ ran 230 pips since the open, right? But for me, I didn't catch this. It's just one of those things. I don't know if anyone caught this move. But as I said to you yesterday, that this free space going up to option is just gonna fill out, right? So I don't know if anyone caught this move around this time. I was just spending some time with my son around this time. So I was even looking at the charts. So, I'm more pre-London open, but every now and then if I see some nice move, like a nice set for around Asian, I might take it. But I just wasn't looking at the chart at this time, and when I got up at pre-London, I didn't feel comfortable how I have this high right here. I was waiting for some form of retracement back here to push up, but that did not happen. It just continued just shooting up like that. So since the 700 pip drop of GJ, right, it actually ran from here back to here. That's 500 and what's called 574, right? Pip back in a total retracement, right? So it is what it is. I'm not going to catch everything, but I still have to do this markup. If you call this move based off the markup and all of that, and just based off the flow and all of that, just let me know in the comment section if you call this nice little retracement move. All right, so I'm taking the chart from fresh. Let's see what we're looking at. Let's see what we're looking at. Nice little weekly move. Nice little weekly move. Bam, bam, bam. Back to this level. Possibly, we can get a move from here back down. So I don't know if this is the retracement. This is the retracement where the retracement stopped, but I have to see. I have to just wait and see. Alright, not sure if this is where the retracement is going to start to come back down, because we're not downtrend, right? So we're not downtrend unless otherwise stated, right? We're not downtrend. An upward move here, right? Bam, bam, bam. Below, looking for some pushback here to continue down, right? So let's just see if that type of structure can hold. Let me remove this back to the 4. All right, let's see if that type of structure can hold. So what we're looking at, right? So this is of the 8-4, right? So y'all know how a downtrend operates. So it's shift, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and so on, right? So this is what it looks like off the 8-4 level. So what I'm saying to you, that if price made a lower low, it's going back to make a lower high. On the lower time frame, we can catch moves going back up to the lower high, right? Higher highs and higher lows and so on. And then now you want to catch an impulse move going down, which is going to be a bigger move, right? So we'll pick up this level of the 8-4. All right, so let's just see how we look on the 30. All right. Let's remove this. So now you know what I'm looking at, right? So if here stay respected, then right, what we can look at is like a break coming back down, right? With the impulse move up, going down. So if the impulse move continuing down, then you know that it's going to be the bigger move, right? So if we come here, from here to here, that's like an 800 move, right? You follow what I'm saying, traders and traders? If you don't understand, comment in the comment section, all right? So I can try my very best to assist, right? All right. So some form of structure hold like this. Let me get a trend line. right? That's the structure that I'm looking at, right? So totally ignore these right here. Let's totally ignore these lows. I'm going to pick up these lows right here, right? I'll pick up these lows right here. All right, so let's ignore these lows for the time being. I'm gonna go slow as possible, right? So those who are new and all of that can understand, right? So I didn't catch this move, right? So I didn't catch a retracement move stemming from the higher time frame, right? You notice it did not respect this type of trend line coming off these lows, right? So we saw where lows were created like this on this trend. So we're gonna redefine the trend here, right? So redefining the trend here. All right. So we're gonna move this here now. Follow me now. All right, we're gonna move this here. Boom. Like that. So we have some form of respect right here, break rejections right here, boom. That's rejections right there. So we're gonna work with this here, 183.306. So it buys above 183.306 and sells below 183.306. So right here is like lower high. So price come back, can double bottom continue up, right? So what we want to do now to see if we can catch the impulse move going back down, right? If that's the case, right? And through the tool, I'm more looking for this to go back down, but at the same time, we have to prepare for anything in the market, right? So let's state the current market structure, right? So what we're looking at is this type of move, right? Break the low, retest, create a lower high here, right? Break and retest with rejection at the top, confirming resistance. Bullish candle closure wick at the top, bearish candle closure wick at the top, and then they're gonna look to continue down back with the impulse move, right? So it's a lot of volatility in the market right now, so why not work with that, right? A lot of volatility in the market, all right? So why not try to work with that? So let's just work with the volatility until it dies, right? So here, from here to here, you're looking at around 200 pips. So what we can do is that you can take sales below here. You can take TP1, leave a runner. TP1 should be like 3 times your stop loss, right? So if your stop loss is 20 pips, 60 pips, stop loss 30 pips, 90 pips, so on, right? 3 times your stop area, and you can leave a little runner and just to see how it play out, to see if we can go in this free space right here back to 176,500 thereabouts, right? All right, so that's the first move based off market structure, and I explained to you where I got this from. I got this market structure looking at the H4 levels, right? So the next thing now we have to be mindful of now, right? So let's go back to the H4, show you something. All right, this should be ready. All right, so this is the structure looking from the H4, right? I used to just mark up this with one time frame, but as I said, most of y'all always in my DM saying that you're not understanding of one time frame, so I'm just showing. Not because I understand, it doesn't mean that I assume that everyone else understands. So I have to work with it. So higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? So the reason why it broke down right here, notice that when it came here, right? Notice that when it came here, there is not any type of massive like high, like you see. So here's like swing this, right? It doesn't like make that little massive high or anything like that. So it shows that the momentum was dying up, and then bam, we had that turnover to come back to the downside, right? So a massive turnover. And I said to you that GG has been in an uptrend for the longest time, and we're due some form of turnover, right? So let's just see if that's playing out. So bam, broke the lows right here. Now we're looking for a shift retest lower high. So that was played out today, right? I'm looking to make the impulse, create a lower low, shift retest lower high, and so on to continue down. But when you go on the smaller time frame, there are several moves that we can catch in the retracement going up, impulse coming down, and so on, right? So this is the move that we're looking at to come back down, right? So, but let's go to the daily, right? Let's go to the daily and show you something, right? If you look here, we have a rejection here, and then rejection here, right? Possibly GJ can come back somewhere here to like to continue up, right? What is that situation where it's just respecting here like that, right? Let me show you. What is the situation like it's respecting like a trend like this, right? To continue up, right? Bam, 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 to continue up like that, right? So you have to be mindful of what the possibilities are, right? So let me go back down to the 30. All right. So this is why I like to stay on one time frame, because I can see things from a whole different level. But what if somebody is like new watching me, right? They might be confused, you know, changing a lot of time frames and all of that. But just try your very best to stay with me. As I say that, if you don't understand, just ask your questions, right? So follow me now. If that's the case where it's a possibility that it can continue up, all they're going to do is this, right? Say that if you get up around pre-London, right? Around pre-London, London open, and you see some form of action like this. Bam, bam, back here, right? Let me do that again. Bam, here, here, right? If you see this type of action, right, then you're going to look for buys. So what type of action I'm talking about? Do not take buys here. Even though I'm saying buys above here, right? I would advise you taking buys unless it's above here, right? So let me put this buy zone right here. All right. So don't take in the buys. So let me put another line so you can see the arrow. All right. Don't take any buys unless it's above 184.329, right? Because here, GJ can simply come back here to double top to continue down. All right, as I told you that GJ likes a double top, right? And I'll show you that this here is off the 84 level, so right? Well, see, structure is above there, so you might just respect this structure above there and to continue down. All right. So I would advise that don't take in the buys unless price break here, retrace here, right? Form support, bearish candle closure, wick at the bottom, bullish candle closure, wick at the bottom, and then you will look to continue up, right? Take my bullish advice, don't take in the buys unless it's above 184.329, all right? I'm going to take sales below 183.306. So if that's the case, right? That's the case. Then in here could be like a no trade zone. All right. In here, yeah, it's going to be like a no trade zone. So you just chill, wait till price breaks here to sell, wait till price breaks here to buy. Right. However, say that if you get up like pre-London open, I have to tell you the different type of scenarios, right? So if you get up like pre-London open and you see like GJ come back to here, right, and form resistance, bullish candle closure, wick at the top, bearish candle closure, wick at the top, there is a possibility now you can just take the sell from here to continue down, right? Because we all know that GJ like the double tops and double bottom, right? However, the safest thing for you to do is to wait on the break and retest, wait on the resistance to form there and to continue down. But definitely, we're not looking to buy unless it's about 184.329. All right. But truth be told, as I said, that we're in a downtrend, so we're just looking for the bearish movement to continue down. But we still have to have we can't have a closed mindset, right? We still have to just play what the market gives us. If the market gives us the buy, we're just going to work with us, right? But I'm looking for the higher probability move of continuing the downtrend inputs. All right. If you have any questions, all right, feel free to comment, ask them. You see that I answer every comment. I'm here to help each and every trader and trader. If you all caught this move to begin with from yesterday's markup, just tag me on social media, especially on Instagram, because you know that I'm highly active on Instagram. You know what I mean? Just tag me in the comment section, show your profit, show your charts. You know what I mean? Could be funded, could be a small account, could be a it doesn't matter what it is, could be your demo account. It's as long as you just keep it active on the chart, you know what I mean? Just keep on pushing, keep on being on the chart today, keep on putting the chart time. All right. I'm here to help each and every trader and traders. Until tomorrow, straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.